Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PostgreSQL on macOS for full stack apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install PostgreSQL on macOS for full stack applications, begin by opening your terminal. Check if Homebrew is installed by typing brew version. If Homebrew is not installed, visit brew.sh and follow the installation instructions. Once Homebrew is ready, update it by typing brew update. Next, install PostgreSQL by entering brew install PostgreSQL. After the installation completes, you need to start the PostgreSQL service. Type brew services start PostgreSQL to do this. To confirm the installation, check the PostgreSQL version by typing PSQL version. Next, set up your database directory by running init/usr/local/var/postgres. This step initializes a new PostgreSQL database cluster. Now, start the PostgreSQL server by typing pg_ctld/usr/local/var/postgres start. You can access the PostgreSQL command line interface by typing psql postgres. To create a new database, use the command create database your_database_ name. Replace your _database_ name with the desired name for your new database. To connect to your newly created database, type \c your_database_ name. To create a new user, use the command create user your_username with password your_password. Ensure to replace your _username and your _password with your preferred credentials. For granting access privileges, type grant all privileges on database your_database_ name to your_username. Now you have successfully installed PostgreSQL and created a database in user. To exit the PostgreSQL command line, type \q. Lastly, when you want to stop the PostgreSQL service, use the command brew services stop PostgreSQL. You are now ready to use PostgreSQL for your full stack applications on macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.